All right, Arken, I'll be the first to admit I was highly skeptical of this optic in the reticle. I did not like it at all whenever I first saw it, and I will admit that I was a little bit wrong on that. So this is kind of a case in point where don't judge a book by its cover. This reticle actually works very well. I know it looks weird, the little Aztec shit that they've got going on in there, it doesn't look right to me. The only real critiques that I would have that I would have done different is there is a dead space one for the 300, and I get what they're doing to be able to range from the top of the head to the waist, and then shoulder to shoulder, and then base of the head to top of the head. I understand what they were doing there. But I would have done a horizontal line there because there's some dead space that's holding in there, but it realistically did not cause any problems, and I was very easily able to connect. I mean, besides for the spotter mistake that I had here, he thought I was shooting at a different target than what I was shooting at, and he was giving me the wrong calls. Once we got that figured out, I just connected with it and had absolutely no issue pushing all the way out to 600 yards with this. All we have is velocities on it. I don't have any kind of ballistic calculator or anything like that. The Sherlock sadly does not have this reticle in it. But hell, the thing worked. Alright, what we got here is the Arken EP-8. Did not like this reticle, but I am willing to eat crow, and now that I have gotten to play with it and understand it a little bit better, it's actually very, very intuitive, having absolutely zero issue connecting. As long as you know your distance, and then you can use the frame and fire technique with it. It tends to work very well. I've been very impressed with this thing so far. I do still wish that they would at least offer a MOA version of this thing, but the reticle does work if you learn how to use it properly.
Alright, I'm going to go for the 400 first.
Okay.
The little triangle guy.
Yep.
Actually like 440.
Yep.
So I'm going to take the 4-pin, I'm going to hold just high. I'm going to put it on basically the right shoulder.
Okay. Dead center.
Yep. Alright, I'm going to go for the 5.
Go ahead.
Alright, I'm going to take the 5-pin, I'm going to put it on the right shoulder. This is 547.
Yep. Left.
Elevation good?
Elevation good. Left again.
How far?
Half a target. Left again. Come a little, like half a target more. Left again.
I am shooting at the X, not the
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were shooting at the diamond.
yeah, the X.
Alright, got it. Hit! Dead center.
Alright, there we go. I got it figured out. Yes, the first one was the wind, and then you gave me a wrong call.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
But then it died down. Alright, now I'm going for the diamond.
Alright, go ahead. High. Right shoulder. Dead center.
Alright, I'm going for the 6.
Alright, go ahead. Hit! Center.
Yeah, so this thing does work as long as you understand how to properly calibrate the reticle. It is actually doing really well. It's very easy to connect as long as my spotter's not being a piece of shit.